everyone, I'm Adrija. Welcome again. Today I'm back with a new video for you all. And this is a video for all those people out there who, when having a conversation in English, get stuck because they are not able to form sentences in their mind. So you basically know what you want to express, but you don't know how to do that, which means you are not efficient with forming sentences in English. So this video is for you all today. Here I will tell you a series of question and answers, because question and answers are a part of a conversation, right? A conversation takes place when someone questions and the other answers. So you might have to answer someone's question, or you might have to question someone. So how would you do that? Here I will tell you a few basic daily life English question and answers today in this video, so that you are able to form similar sentences with these sentences. So without any delay, let's begin. What is your name?
My name is Adrija.
Where are you from?
I am from India.
Where do you live in India?
I live in West Bengal.
How are you?
I'm doing good.
How old are you?
I am 16 years old.
How is your family doing?
They are doing well.
What does your father do?
My father is a businessman.
What are you doing now?
I am cooking now.
Do you know me?
Yes, I know you very well.
How do you know me?
I have seen you once at my school.
Are you sick?
Yes, I'm having a headache.
Where are you coming from?
Oh, I'm coming from the hospital.
What do you do?
I am a student.
How was your day?
It was quite good.
May I help you?
Yes, please.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a brother and a sister.
What is your hobby?
My hobbies are painting and playing the guitar.
Why are you learning English?
I am learning English because it is an important language.
Have you seen my jacket?
No, I haven't seen it.
Excuse me, what time is it?
Oh, it's 2 p.m.
Would you like to have tea or coffee?
Coffee, please.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is maths.
Can you play cricket?
Yes, I can play cricket.
Have you ever been to Europe?
Yes, I have been to Europe once.
What day is today?
It's Sunday.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, definitely. What can I do for you?
Do you have any plans for tomorrow?
No, not yet.
When will she be back home?
She will be back in 15 minutes.
Do you know where the ATM is?
Sorry, I don't know where it is.
How is the weather today?
It is a bit cloudy today.
Well, so these were the series of question and answers that I wanted to share with you today. If you actually found this video helpful, then make sure to comment it down. I will be back with more such parts of these series. So I'm sure that this is going to help you. But remember, these are just the structures that I'm giving it to you. You need to form similar questions like this and answer it yourselves to improve your ability to form sentences. So practice this regularly, form question and answer them yourself. I'm sure that this would really help you in improving your English. So that's it for today. If you like this video, click on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. And if you want, then you can share this video with your friends and family. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.